Enchiladas are a go-to when it comes to family dinner. This one gets bonus points because it's healthy and simple. Hey there, I'm Molly Thompson from What Molly Made. Welcome back to my kitchen where we make good food that makes you feel good too. Today we're making healthy chicken enchiladas. They're a fan favorite on What Molly Made for good reason. They're filled with tender shredded chicken, fiber-rich black beans, and then smothered in a red enchilada sauce. You can top them with melted bubbly cheese or use our vegan cashew queso to keep them dairy-free. Heat olive oil in a deep saute pan over medium heat. Sprinkle both sides of the chicken breast with cumin, garlic powder, salt, and pepper. Add the chicken to the pan and cook the chicken over medium heat for 6 to 7 minutes on each side, or until it reaches an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Remove the chicken to a cutting board to cool. If you have leftover chicken breast, you can skip this step and use that. Or if you're short on time, you can grab a rotisserie chicken from the grocery store. While the chicken cools, add a few tablespoons of oil to the pan and scrape any brown bits off the bottom. Add the sliced onion and cook for 2 to 3 minutes until translucent. Then add the garlic and cook for another minute until fragrant. Add 1 can of drained and rinsed black beans and 1 4-ounce can of diced green chilies, then stir that to combine and remove from the heat. Use 2 forks to shred each piece of chicken, then place it in the pan with the black beans and chilies and stir well. Spread a half a cup of enchilada sauce into the bottom of a greased 9x13-inch casserole dish and set that aside. Prepare the tortillas by heating them in the microwave for about 30 seconds. This softens them and makes them more pliable to work with. Sprinkle cheese on the bottom of each tortilla, then spoon 1/4 cup of the chicken and black bean mixture into each one. Fold it over the filling and roll each one up, then place the enchiladas seam side down in the prepared baking dish. Top them with 1.5 cups of enchilada sauce and shredded cheese if using. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 minutes or until the sauce is bubbling and the cheese is melted. Remove it from the oven and allow it to cool slightly. This is when you can top it with the vegan cashew queso if you're using that instead. Serve the enchiladas with your family's favorite toppings like cilantro, tomato, and avocado. You can even cool and cover the entire pan and freeze it for another night. This is great for prepping for a baby or taking dinner to a friend in need. These enchiladas are full of fiber, protein, and they're completely gluten-free, which makes them a go-to for our weeknight dinners. Thank you so much for joining me in the kitchen today. Drop a comment and let me know what you think. I would love to hear from you. You can also check out these healthy instant pot chicken enchiladas if you want to make them that way.